Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the Tapswap app on your mobile device using Telegram. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, if you haven't done so, make sure you got Telegram installed on your device, and from here go ahead and open it, and then you want to get onto your chats here and then click on the search and then type in Tapswap. There it is here, Tapswap bot. This is the official Tapswap. So from here, what can this bot do? You can have a read. Welcome, we're thrilled to have you here. Tapswap is a cutting-edge financial platform where users can earn tokens by utilizing the app's various mining features, etc. So to click on, if you want to read more, you can go to t.me/Tapswap AI. And now from here, you want to click on start. And then it says, hey, welcome to Tapswap. Tap on the coin and see your balance rise. So go ahead and click on start now, and then click start again. So this is going to launch the app on your device using Telegram. So go ahead and click on start here. And now, as you can see, it's loading up. And now if you want to get more coins, simply tap on that. You can see your level here. I'm currently bronze. You can see your tasks. So if you want to get 400,000 more coins, click on blockchain secrets part 2. You can click on special leagues, etc. If you want to send out referrals, click on referral, click on tap. Yeah, so just keep tapping to earn more coins.